Takehito Koyasu. Takehito Koyasu Zai and Wu Ren, Koyasu Takehito, born May 5, 1967, is a Japanese voice actor from Kanagawa Prefecture, Japan. He is affiliated with and representative of Tease Factory, a voice acting agency he founded in October 1998. His son is Koki Koyasu Zai and Guangshu Koyasu Koki, a fellow voice actor. Koyasu has taken over many of the characters played by Kanito Shizawa after his death. Career. When Koyasu was in junior high school, he, as an aspiring screen actor himself, was such a movie buff that he would watch movies every day without going to school. By chance, he saw the scene before Tetsuro Hashino's departure in Adieu Galaxy Express 999, where a group of nameless soldiers take him on the 999 and send him on his way, and was impressed by it. This sparked his interest in voice acting, and since then it has been his policy to aim for three-dimensional acting. After graduating from high school, he entered a training school. In 1988, he made his voice acting debut in Wowzer, and in 1989, he played his first regular character as Guy, the King Yaksha in Legend of Heavenly Sphere Shurato. Although he was a regular character in the series, he was in the position of a villain whose inner workings were rarely discussed in the story, so it was difficult for Koyasu to grasp the role, and he had to do several dozen retakes for a single line. He later said that, although his name recognition as a voice actor had increased, he did not feel like he was doing his best. Afterwards, Koyasu played the role of Minos in the OVA Ares released in 1990. The OVA was based on a fantasy manga of the same name that was being serialized at the time, and the voice actors for the main characters were to be decided by a magazine reader's vote. Since Koyasu had appeared in Shurato shortly before this, he had some recognition among the viewers, and he received the most votes for the role of Hades, main character. However, at the time, Koyasu was still an unknown name in the voice acting industry, and the production members voiced their concerns about giving the lead role to a newcomer like Koyasu. The results of the readers' poll were rejected, and Koyasu was given the role of Hades' subordinate Minos, a role with little screen time. In Tekemen Blade, Koyasu played the main character's rival, Tekemen Evil Shinya Eba. Koyasu himself has often said in interviews that this is his favorite character, and after a period of sluggish performance, he put his voice acting career on the line to play the role, which ultimately led to his recovery. He also said that when he was playing the character, he thought he was really great, but when he watched the footage again later in life, he thought he was terrible at it, which led him to believe he was making progress. In the late 1990s, Koyasu worked on conceptualizing for the media franchise Weiss Q's. He also formed the voice acting unit Weiss, consisting of voice castmates Shin Ikiro Miki, Tomokazu Seki, and Hiro Yuki, and became the first male voice actor to appear on the cover of a voice acting magazine, and the first voice actor to make a music clip. In 2000-2001, he was active in music under the name Zazel. After working as a member of production Baobab 1988-1998, Koyasu established his own representative office, Tease Factory, in 1998. On May 5, 2020, on the occasion of his birthday, the official website and Twitter account of Tease Factory were opened, and his profile was also released at the same time. In 2020, Koyasu made his first appearance with his son, voice actor Koki Koyasu, in an advertisement for Dual Masters. In April, he and Koki teamed up for their own radio show, Takehito and Koki's Koyasu Radio. In 2021, he won the Best Actor in Supporting Role award at the 15th Seiyu Awards. Koyasu's name Takehito comes from the fact that his birthday is on Children's Day. His motto is to make two-dimensional into three-dimensional. His hobby is writing novels, and he professes to like video games. He has played every game he has appeared in, but he is not very good at action or shooting games. Filmography. Television animation. Original video animation OVA. Zetsui 1989, Izumi Takehito, K.O. Beast 1992-1993, Bud Mint. Tokyo, Babylon 1992-1994, Seishiro Sakurazuka. The Heroic Legend of Arslan Roman 3 VI 1993-1995, Melrain. Fire Emblem 1995, Nabarro. Gestalt 1997, Father Oliver. Harlock Saga 1999, Fasolt. Angel Sanctuary 2000, Sakuya Kira. Zoe 2167, Idolo 2001, Radium Levens. New Fist of the North Star 2003-2004, Kenshiro. Angelique 2004, Olive. Papa to Kiss in the Dark 2005, Takeyuki Utsunomiya. Naruto, The Crossroads 2009, Kajika. Saint Seiya, The Lost Canvas 2009-2011, Nasu Veronica. Fate/Prototype 2011, Sancrate Fawn. Kamisama Kiss, Kako Hen 2016, Kurikabari. Star Mayu, High School Star Musical 2016, Haruto Tsukagami. Original Net Animation ONA. AICO. Incarnation 2018, Kyosuke Isazu. Films. Comet in Moominland 1992, Snufkin. Slayer's Great 1997, Huey. Rurouni Kenshin, Requiem for the Ishin Patriots 1997, Sadashiro Kajiki. Spriggan 1998, Jean Jacquemond. Gintama, the movie 2010, Shinsuke Takasugi. Heart no Kuni no Alice, Wonderful Wonder World 2011, Julius Monri. Yokai Watch and Mideo to Itsutsu no Monogatari da Nyan. 2015, Nurarihian. Batman Ninja 2018, Gorilla Grodd. Hello World 2019, Suni Hisasenko. Fate/Grand Order, Camelot Wandering. Agatarem 2020, Ozymandias. Gintama The Final 2021, Shinsuke Takasugi. Video games. Anima Mundi, Dark Alchemist, Bruno Glenning. Another Centuries Episode 2, Zech Merquise. Artolico Roman 2, Ulfman Uranus. Arena of Valor, Valheim, Dirac. Archaic Sealed Heat, Dan. Aitlier Liddy and Sewell, The Alchemists and the Mysterious Paintings, Roger Malin. Battle Arena Toshinden, K. Ammo. Bayonetta 2, Masked Lumen/Boulder. Beyond the Labyrinth. Bravely Default, Bravely the Templar. Breath of Fire 6, Masamune. Catherine, Jonathan Araga. Captain Tsubasa, Dream Team, Revol. Demonbane PS2 version Winfield. Diskia 2, Cursed Memories, Mr. Rabbit Fubuki, Badass Overlord Zeta. Diskia 5, Alliance of Vengeance, Red Magnus. Dissidia Final Fantasy, Opera Omnia, Safer Almacy. Dragalia Lost, Morsayati/The Other Mordecai. Dragon Force Roman 2, Shepherd. Dragon Quest Roman 8, Journey of the Cursed King Dalmagus. Dynasty Warriors Gundam Zech Merquise. Dynasty Warriors Gundam 2, Zech Merquise Jim Gingnam. Dynasty Warriors Gundam 3, Zech Merquise Jim Gingnam. Dynasty Warriors Gundam Reborn, Zech Merquise Jim Gingnam. EVE New Generation, Kajiro Amagi EX. Troopers, Jingira. Family Project, Lao as Hayato Jumanji. Fate/Grand Order, Hans Christian Andersen, Mephistopheles, Ozymandias Ramesses Roman II. Fate/Extra CCC Hans Christian Andersen. Final Fantasy Crystal Chronicles, Remastered Edition, Stiltskin. Fist of the North Star, Ken's Rage, Ray. Fire Emblem Awakening, Lonk, Validar. Fire Emblem Fates, Niles. Fire Emblem Heroes, Lonk, Niles, Navar, Saber, Lewin, Pent. Fire Emblem Echoes, Shadows of Valentia 2017, Saber. Fire Emblem, Three Houses 2019, Seetith. Galerians, Birdman. Get Ampetuo, Fabicro. Grandia Extreme, Kreutz. Growlancer Roman 3, The Dual Darkness, Zion. Guilty Gear X2 Hash Reload, Eddie. Guilty Gear XRD, Zato 1. Guilty Gear Strive, Zato 1. Gundam vs. Zech Merkwise Jim Gingnam. Moulin Flaga. Heroes Fantasia Kululu. Hashizora no Memoria Wish Upon a Shooting Star, Haruto Ake's Yumi. Hashizora no Memoria Eternal Heart, Haruto Ake's Yumi. The Idol Master SB Takao Kuroi. Initial D Extreme Stage, Ryosuke Takahashi. JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, All-Star Battle, Dio Brando/Dio. JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, Eyes of Heaven, Dio Brando/Dio, Diego Brando. JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, Last Survivor, Dio. Jump Force 2019, Dio. Kenka Bancho 6, Soul and Blood, Mido Tatsuya. Kororo RPG, Kishi Tamusha to Densetsu no Kaizoku Kululu. The King of Fighters, Shingo Yabuki. King of Fighters All-Star, Shingo Yabuki, Shinsuke Takasugi. Kingdom Hearts Roman II, Safer Almasi. League of Legends, Set. The Legend of Heroes, Trails in the Sky, Olivert Rise Arner/Olivier Lenheim. The Legend of Heroes, Trails of Cold Steel, Olivert Rise Arner/Olivier Lenheim. The Legend of Heroes, Ao no Kaisuke, Olivert Rise Arner/Olivier Lenheim. Lego Island, Return Snap Locket. Lux Pain, Liu Yi. Magical Drop Roman 3, Hierophant, Hanged Man Chariot. Mighty No. 9, Mr. Graham. Musashi, Samurai Legend, Gandrake. Love, Takahashi Ikemanji, Naaya Sajiri. Love Alternative, Takahashi Ikemanji, Naaya Sajiri. Phantom Kingdom, Zeta. Nana, Takumi Ikinos. Onmyoji, Lord Arakawa no Aruji. Nora Totoki no Kobo, Hiri no Mori no Majo, Juka Waltman. Persona 2 Innocent Sin/Eternal Punishment, Tatsuya Suo. Poporogue, Boris. Remember 11, The Age of Infinity, Satoru Yukido. Resonance of Fate, Sullivan. Rockman-2, Glide. Estorica, Jahan Augustinus, Hyde Oust. SD Gundam G Generation World, Zech Merkwise/Miliardo Peacecraft. Moulin Flaga Neo Roanoke. Sengoku Basara, Sarutobi Sasuke. Shadow Hearts Covenant, Nicholas/Nikolai Conrad. Shin Megami Tensei, Strange Journey Redux, Arthur. Shining Force Neo, Klein. Soul Calibur V, Creation Male Voice Superhuman. Super Robot Wars, Shu Shirakawa Jim Gingnam, Zech Merkwise/Miliardo Peacecraft. Moulin Flaga, Neo Roanoke. Gamrin Kizaki, Abe no Saime Asuham Boom. Tales of the Abyss, Jade Curtis. Tis. Tales of Zestiria, Lunar Jade Curtis. Tis. The Crew Japanese dub, Alex Taylor. Transformers, Beast Wars Transmetals, Beast Convoy. Takaiki Memorial Girls Side, Himuro Riichi. Tokyo Mirage Sessions #FE, Navar, Lonk. Valkyrie Profile, Lenith, Lezard Valeth. Valkyrie Profile 2, Silmeria, Lezard Valeth. Xenosaga Episode I, Der Wilzer Matched Tony. Xenosaga Episode Roman 2, Jensates von Gut und Bose, Tony. Xenosaga Episode Roman 3, also Sprach Zarathustra, Tony. Yakuza Kiwami 2, K. Ibuchi. Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links 2016 Pandora, Takuma Seiyu. Drama CD. 17 Sai no Hisoka na Yokyuju Takamura. Anatolia Story Sound Theater 8, Ramses. Ballot Star, Takebana Miyuki. Corsair, Yanni. Fire Emblem, Ryumehin and Sharanhan Navarro. Fruits Basket 1999, I Am Soma. Fushigi Yugi Genbu Kaiden Yurumiya. G Fantasy Comics Sigi Collection Fire Emblem, Ankoku Ryu to Hikari no Ken, Nabarro. Hakashaku to Yosai, Kelpai. Hanazakari no Kimitachi e Masao Heimjima. Hotoful Boyfriend, Sho Iwamin. Hello. Dr. Taku Kagami. Himitsu no Keita Kayawashi, Koki Amagata. Katsuai Series 1, Ryuji Takami. King of Fighters Drama CD, Yabuki Shingo. Majin Tante Nugami Neuro Radio Drama Neuro Nugami. Main lead Isaac Cavendish. Bisexual Harassment Series 2, Yoon Kamishire Nai. Needless, Adam Blade. On Meowden no Tabira, Hataru. Atakinoko Niwa Himitsu ga Aru, Shuratori. Papa Tamira Series 1, Kiss in the Dark. Takeyuki Utsunamiya. Papa Tamira Series 2, Loving All Night. Takeyuki Utsunamiya. Papa Tamira Series 3, Deep in the Forest. Takeyuki Utsunamiya. Pink Na Choppin'. Punch Up. Maki Motoharu. Sex Pistols Love Pistols, Madarame Yonkuni. Requiem of the Rose King 2017, Warwick. Suikoden, Gremio. Superior, Kagami. Tales of the Abyss, Jade Curtis. Target in the Finder, Asami Yuichi. The Epic of Zekbok tilde Masanoa tilde Jijiri. Vampire Knight, Headmaster Cross. Z. Moria. Dubbing. Live action. Alex Rider, Yasin Gregorovich. Can't Hardly Wait, Mike Dexter Peter Fasinelli. Cats and Dogs, The Revenge of Kitty Galore, Lou Neil Patrick Harris. Cliffhanger 1997 in TV edition, Brett. Hello, my name is Doris. John Fremont Max Greenfield. Mystery Date, Tom McHugh Ethan Hawke. Pacific Rim, Uprising, Marshall Kwanjang Jim. Rumble in the Bronx, Tony Mark Ackerstream. Scooby-Doo, Fred Jones Freddie Prinze Jr. Scooby-Doo 2, Monsters Unleashed, Fred Jones Freddie Prinze Jr. Shazam. Dr. Thaddeus Savannah Mark Strong. Suicide Squad, Joker Jared Leto. Swing Kids. Thomas Berger Christian Bale. That Thing You Do. Guy Patterson Tom Everett Scott. The Time Machine, Alexander Hartdegen Guy Pearce. Animation. The Emoji Movie, Poop. The Lego Batman Movie, The Joker. Moomins and the Comet Chase, Snufkin. Moomins on the Riviera, Snufkin.